Welcome back to the channel, and I want to show you a modification that I did to my C-hubs. Now this modification will allow me to remove the C-hubs without totally disassembling the axle here. So let's get started. First we're going to do the steering link, and the next two are the screws that hold the C-hub on itself. So I'm going to get the top one here. I'll flip you over, and the bottom one. Get that screw out. There we go. And then this, if it's done correctly, I should just be able to pull these off, and I'm done. Now I'm going to give you a close-up of the modification I did to the actual C-hub. As you can see from the close-up, I notched out the C-hub to clear the axle pins. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.